everybody, this is the website boy again with another great tutorial about Bootstrap. Now, this is tutorial number 16, styling a table in Bootstrap. Now, some of you out there, are wondering how in the world can you style a table in Bootstrap? And I'm going to show you exactly how we do it and how we do it very cool, guys. All right. So anyways, for those of you that don't know how to navigate my course, this is how you do it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you better do so right now if you want to become an expert in Bootstrap. Just hit that subscribe right there on the top, actually bottom right hand corner there, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next side. Right. For those of you that want to do things just like me, what I'm using right now as a co-editor is Sublime, and I use the MM plugin. All right. Some of you out there can install Notepad++, which is free for Windows, or you can use Text Wrangler for Mac. You can use whatever code editor you want. I'm just letting you know what I use, and so you can copy me, whatever. And if you guys, I know you love me and I love you too, but show me. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up right there, because that's gonna help me out. That's gonna give you a lot. It's gonna give me motivation to make the videos. All right. It's gonna, when I wake up in the morning and I see that, I go bananas and I just start making videos like crazy, just like I'm doing right now. Just because some of you just gave me some likes. All right. That lets me know that you like them. Download the exercise files. What I'm doing right now is I'm including exercise files in mostly all my videos. That way it's easier for you to test your code. Just in case you make a mistake and you can't make it work, just look at my code and you can make it work. Another thing too, that you don't have to start from scratch. You can start from something that I already built, so it's easier for you to do. All right, so make sure you download the code at the websiteboy.com/snippets. Those of you that like my videos, thank you, thank you, thank you. You make my day and you keep making my day. All right, and I see you. All right, so anyway, let's go ahead and start doing this Bootstrap thing. Go ahead and start styling our table with Bootstrap. Let's open our folder, Bootstrap folder, and let's find a file called table.html. Now, I provided a link in the bottom of this video that has this file here called table.html. Go ahead and download it. It's in my website, the websiteboy.com/snippets. Download it there if you don't want to go ahead and do the whole file. That way you have something to start with. And let's open up a text editor and drag this file in there. Now let me show you. This is not a very hard to do file. This is very simple to do, but it does take a little time. If you don't want to spend that time, download it from my website and download the rest of the files too. Now this is just a regular table with the heads, and now let me show you how it looks on the browser. All right, this is our table in the browser. It sucks, right? It just, it has no style. It looks very ugly. Let's style it with Bootstrap. All right, let's make it look nice. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna add a class to the table tag, and this class is gonna be just called table. Simple, right? And look what Bootstrap does for us. Let's refresh. Nice, right? All right, so let me just show you a couple other ones. All right, now let's say, for example, you want to make this table do something when people just put their mouse over. Let's just do something on hover state. Look at that. Boom. Nice, right? That's another one. Let's also, we can also make this look different with another class called table striped. Refresh, right? Same thing almost as the hover color, but you can make it like that just in case you have a whole big table with a lot of things in it. And we can also do a condensed class on it. Refresh, condenses everything. Nice. We can also do a, what else, border. Refresh, and look at that, puts everything on the border. Really looks nice. But we can also do something like, we can combine the classes, table, hover, and refresh, and look at that. Right? Nice. And we can also make this responsive. Tables are, originally they're not responsive. We can make them responsive with, we just wrap them around a div. Actually, this was there. It's not supposed to be. Let's just wrap it around a div called table dash responsive. responsive, and I just take this and put it in the bottom here, wrap the whole, and we just make it responsive. Now our tables is responsive. And when you get really small, sometimes you see that little bar right here, that way you can, that's the responsiveness of the table. If you didn't have the responsiveness, it would not have this little bar that you can see all your data in there. So that's making it responsive. All right, so that's how we are able to make, to style our tables in Bootstrap. All right, and guys and ladies and gentlemen, I thank you very much for watching my tutorials. On the next video is gonna be awesome. All right, I'm not gonna even tell you what it is because I'm just gonna make it up right now, but I'm gonna show you great things. And remember, we're gonna jump into the advanced tutorials where I'm gonna show you how to make contact pages using PHP. We're gonna organize our site, making it a really cool site that we can launch into hosting provider out there. All right, I'm gonna show you how to do everything, that way you can launch your website to the launch your website, this web page or project into a project online that everybody else can see. All right, thank you so much for watching this, and don't forget to like it, don't forget to subscribe. I see you in the next video. Bye bye.